Hello, welcome to Trafalgar Joinery Co. and our second video of our three-part series about the Cabinet Creator program and how we can create our own joinery project, but using our own space. So, following on from the last video, we'll just sign back in, and we're following along with Home Renovator. And in our first video, we created a new project, Johnson Street project, and we had two projects or jobs, as they're known in the system, already pre-configured. So just a little brush up from the first video. Obviously, our home page button gets us back to here, crucial if we get lost in the system anywhere. And obviously, we will work back through the jobs now, and we'll have a look at let's have a look at Nick's Kitchen's design. We'll have a look at this job because there's quite a detailed amount of cabinetry in this project, and I'll give you some idea about how you should and how you can use the system. So when we're looking at our shopping cart view, it provides a lot of detail, but we want to go back to our add layout button and back to our design page. So you notice in this design we've actually got a island, and we've got a series of cabinetry already in place. So let's talk about one of the main features is our add room feature. Let's add a new room to this job. Kitchenette. Description is open for your use, however you'd like to use that for tracking various bits of detail. When you're adding your room, you can actually pre-configure some of your cabinetry requirements. So we've got defaults, so supply defaults. Because we provide assembled cabinetry, it's defaults to assembled, and also the hardware is obviously included as part of the assembly. So we've got hardware selection options, so we can have a look at the hinges. We can do a drop down of the drawer styles and whether we're going to be having solid tops or rail on edge or rail on flat. In the next tab, exterior, where we can choose exterior colors. So a great tip for our product range is typing the word ply, and it actually brings up the entire range in one go. With regards to the edge, we actually, being plywood manufacturer, you actually provide a beeswax material for the coating, and then you can also choose what type of door panels you'd like. So at this stage, we're going to save that room. We have a galley kitchen room, and we have a kitchenette project starting to appear on the right-hand side. What we would, with tips and tricks, we would like to also get you to, when you start your design, we'd recommend that if we need to go back in, let's go back to close layout. Let's go back to the galley kitchen. So look at the layout. When we design kitchens, we always start with a filler. So the first thing you want to do is actually add a filler into the corner. That actually allows you to swing the doors back hard against the wall. So when you click on that, you can see the filler item appears over here. So obviously you remember from our first video, by clicking on the items, we can actually change the dimensions at that level. Or if we edit the product, we can actually change the particular requirements. Again, it's materials, doors, shelves, and we can see the 3D drawing space here as well. We close that out. We can update the product. We save that as a default. The program is very simple to use, so we might leave it at this stage and move on to the third video, which will be around about how to submit and how to review your project and how to submit. So thank you very much for your time to date. Good luck with your project, and we'll see you in the next video.